What's up guys, Average Tech Guy here, and today we are back with more tech, more reviews, and this time we're looking at a rechargeable hand warmer from the company Ocoopa. It's about to get cold outside. Let's keep those hands warm. So I picked up this rechargeable hand warmer because, a lot of times when you're outside and it's cold, you put your hands in your pocket, but they just don't warm up fast enough. So this is what we have. I'm gonna just pop this open and let's see what we have on the inside. So this is it right here. Now it has a little weight to it. I like doesn't feel cheap at all. You get your branding right there, the company ocoopa. You got your on off, your LEDs, you got your charging port down here, and that's it. So this little hand warmer has a 5200 milliamp hour battery on it. 2 to 3 hours of charging can get you about 4 to 5 hours of work time. It has 3 different heat levels, low, medium, and high. You're going to have double side heating, so both of these sides are going to heat up. And then on top of that, it is going to also work as a phone charger. So it has 5200 milliamp hours in here. You're going to be able to plug in and get power to your portable phone or your portable devices as well. Let's get this open and see what all is inside this box. Everything comes in here. You get your instruction manual like we normally do. We have an adapter right here. This is USB to USB Type-C. Here we go. We got this, another USB Type-C to USB-A. And we get a pouch to carry this in. So these come in different colors. There are about 4 different colors that you can get these in. There's an orange, a blue, a pink, and then the black. Let's see. I'm gonna get all this stuff out of the way. So here we go. Let's see if it has any juice out of the box. So turn it on. So 3 separate levels of heat. You see the LEDs. It says it heats up in seconds, and it's actually heating up. I can feel it getting warm in my hands. So the low temperature is going to run anywhere from about 95 degrees to 108. Medium temp is going to be like 108 to 118. And the high temp from 118 to 134. And that's all in Fahrenheit. So it is heating up on both sides. And that's really, really quick. So on those really cold days, you're going to be able to keep this. And like I said, it's extremely small. You can really just put this down in your pocket. But you got a pouch that you can put it in. You can keep it in your pocket. Just take it out. Hold it in your hands, and it's getting pretty warm already. So nice little product, especially since we are coming up on the winter months, the cold season. You can get this, keep it in your pocket, put it in your purse, put it in your computer bag, and whenever your hands get cold, take it out and just hold on to it. It's going to warm your hands up really quick. It's safe, it's simple, it's charging through USB Type-C, and they give you everything that you need right here to go with it. You can even make this USB Type-C to USB Type-C with that adapter that they give you. So this is it, guys, the rechargeable hand warmer by the company Ocoopa. I think it's a pretty good buy. You're going to be able to get this for about $25 on Amazon. I'll be sure and drop that link below. And it's really heating up now. It's getting hot. There we go. So product works. I give it a big thumbs up. Until next time, be sure and give me that thumbs up. Please subscribe. Average Tech Guy out. Peace.